Even if you exercise every day for the next 100 days, eat plenty of protein and take all your supplements, you still won't build real muscle if you skip 2 simple vitamins at night. You've been told magnesium is the answer, right? Wrong. Forget magnesium. Tonight, I'm revealing 2 vitamins that repair and grow your muscles while you sleep. Miss them, and you'll waste all your hard work in the gym. Here's why this matters. Nearly 70% of your muscle repair happens between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. This is the secret recovery window, but only if you give your body what it needs. I'll show you the second best vitamin first, then the absolute best one most people overlook. And stay with me, because I'll also reveal 3 supplements you must avoid at night. One of them, you've probably taken this week, that silently kill your gains. The first vitamin is D3. When you take it before bed with a meal that has healthy fats, something powerful happens. D3 activates receptors in your muscle cells, unlocking calcium and phosphorus from the food you ate earlier. Those minerals are what your muscle fibers use to contract and grow stronger. It also boosts testosterone while you sleep, helping your body turn today's protein into new muscle overnight. Without enough D3, this repair process slows by up to 60%. Seniors who take it recover faster, reduce inflammation, and wake up stronger. One Harvard study followed 400 older adults for 8 months. Those taking D3 gained nearly 3 pounds of muscle, while the control group barely gained half a pound. Vikings even drank cod liver oil through long winters to keep their strength when sunlight vanished. You can do the same. 2,000 to 4,000 IU with dinner, or from foods like salmon, roasted mushrooms, and cod liver oil. But vitamin D alone isn't enough. The real magic happens when you pair it with zinc. During deep sleep, your body pumps out growth hormones, but they need zinc to actually build muscle. Zinc fuels over 300 enzymes that rebuild tissue for up to 8 hours straight. Without it, your muscle repair slows dramatically, and this deficiency hits nearly 40% of older adults. Zinc also shuttles amino acids into muscle cells, turning your steak or protein shake into actual fibers. A University of Michigan study showed seniors taking 20 milligrams of zinc increased protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster. Ancient doctors knew this. Egyptians used zinc remedies over 4,000 years ago to heal warriors after battle. Take 15 to 30 milligrams, ideally 2 hours before bed with a full glass of water. Now here's where most people go wrong. They undo all this progress by taking the wrong supplements at night. The first is B complex. While it's great for energy during the day, at night it overstimulates your nervous system, blocks melatonin, raises cortisol, and kills deep sleep. Without deep sleep, no muscle growth happens. One patient of mine, Margaret, took B complex at dinner every night and kept losing strength. The moment she switched to mornings, she started sleeping better and gained lean muscle in weeks. The second is vitamin C. It's helpful in the morning but deadly at night. Why? Your muscles need a small amount of oxidative stress while you sleep to trigger growth signals. Vitamin C cancels that stress, shutting down the very pathways that tell your body to rebuild fibers. It also boosts norepinephrine, making it harder to fall asleep. Harold, a retired teacher, was taking 1,000 milligrams of C with his evening broth. He felt weaker every week. When he moved it to the morning, his sleep and strength came back within a month. And finally, caffeine. Whether from coffee, tea, or hidden inside pre-workout powders, caffeine at night is muscle poison. It raises cortisol, blocks adenosine, shortens deep sleep, and directly stops protein synthesis. A study found seniors who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass over 10 weeks, even when they ate the same protein as others. Gloria, an 81-year-old nurse, was unknowingly taking a fat burner with 150 milligallons of caffeine every evening. Once she quit, her sleep returned and her strength shot up in just weeks. So here's the truth. If you want to actually grow stronger while you sleep, take vitamin D3 with your evening meal, take zinc before bed with water, and cut out B complex, vitamin C, and caffeine at night. Your muscles will thank you every morning. Which of these mistakes have you been making without knowing? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. And if you want a complete 30-day meal plan loaded with protein and collagen recipes designed for overnight growth, check my pinned comment below. Tomorrow I'll reveal a shocking secret that boosts leg muscle activation by 34% without a single exercise. You've never heard this before, so subscribe now before you miss it.